Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to language learning. As you know, this is Sepedi Lessons channel. So today we're going to be doing question words in Sepedi. So without further ado, let's get right in with our today's video. So the first one we have who. Who means ma. Who are you? Ki wena ma. Who means ma. The next one we have where. Where means kae. Where are you going? Uya kae. Where means kae. The next one we have when. When means ne. When are you coming? Uta ne. When means ne. The next one we have why. Why means ka lebaka la eng. Why are you crying? Ke ka lebaka la eng o lla. Why means ka lebaka la eng. The next one we have which. Which means efeng. Which one? Ye efeng. Which means efeng. Which one? Efeng. The next one we have whose. Whose means yama. Whose pen is this? Ipene yamang ye. Whose pen is this? Ipene yamang ye. Whose means ma. The next one we have how much. How much means bukai. How much means bukai. How much do you have? Onale bukai. How much means onale bukai. The next one we have how far. How far means utla kae. How far means utla kae. How far are you? Utla kae. How far means utla kae. The next one we have how often. How often means ra kae. How often do you read? Ubala ra kae. How often do you read? Ubala ra kae. How often means ra kae. The next one we have how. How means bjang. How do you do it? Udira bjang. How means bjang. The next one we have what. What means ing. What means ing. What are you doing? Udira ing. What means ing. The next one we have how many. How many means tekae. How many do you want? Unyaka tekae. How many means take. So that's it for our today's video. Stay tuned for more Sepedi lessons. For now, like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next video.